Hello friends, good evening. So in today's video we'll discuss about the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the coming two trading sessions. Tomorrow we have monthly expiry of both Nifty and Bank Nifty, which seems like we might have some, some good trending moves in the market. So today Nifty made a bottom exactly at 19550, which is the monthly Gann trend chain level. So and it has closed above its 20 and 50-day moving average, forming an outside bar formation. So outside bar are generally formed near tops or bottoms in the market. So if we are seeing an outside bar, let's see. Last time we have seen an outside bar somewhere here. After that, we had a good fall. Then we had an outside bar here. After that, a good rally. So generally, outside bars are formed whenever the markets are near a top or bottom. So this is first indication. And if I look at moving averages, you can see here Nifty has just closed above its 50-day moving average, and 50-day moving average. So still, it has to conquer this 19758, which is 20-day moving average. And like I have pinged in Twitter in the morning, so 50% is a very, very important point, 19723. So any bullishness, it has to come, it's better to trade above 19723, and we have our moving average around 19760. So about 19770 only, we should take bullish trade. And if it starts trading below 19630 tomorrow, 19600, then the fall can be quite brutal tomorrow. Now, Nifty has been outperforming the world markets. If you see the world markets, I think Dow is down 5% for the month. So Nifty for the month, it's almost up almost 2.4%. So which is a good outperformance with respect to world markets. The problematic area for Nifty is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is forming a kind of a gravestone doji. The open was 44,268. So if it has to change the trend, probably it will try to close somewhere around 44,000 to 44,268 in the next two trading sessions. Now, Bank Nifty is a cause of concern because it has closed below its 100-day moving average also, second time in last 1 month. So this is a cause of concern. And more importantly, Bank Nifty, if you see Nifty, Bank Nifty private banks, Nifty PSU, Bank Nifty, the Nifty PSU bank is only holding the Bank Nifty. Otherwise, the fall could have been really brutal after the SDFC bank, which has underperformed a lot. So let me quickly show you Nifty PSU bank. Yeah, here it is. So you can see here, PSU bank is also not forming a high. The last high it made was on 18 September. So probably if this high of 550, 5,300 is not broken, then this 3-4 pattern, it looks like a distribution pattern, and then we can see a 1 day of 2 to 3% fall in PSU banks. And if I look at the private banks, they have been falling because all thanks to SDFC bank. So yeah, PSU bank is something which you need to, so PNB, Can Bank of the world, keep an eye on those stocks. You can see some really nice moves on the downside, provided they don't, provided, this high of 5,300 is not crossed. So even if I look at musical octave in here, which is somewhere here, so you see here the price is reacting around 5288, which is your musical octave level. So probably this has to close above it. Then otherwise we can see a fall towards 5139 and 5000 odd levels in Nifty PSU Bank. So this needs to be kept in mind. Now let's look at so there are two important astro dates which are coming tomorrow. So first is, it is at perigee. So distance to the earth is minimum. So this is the first thing which is happening. So moon distance to the earth is minimum. It is basically for it did happen today. So last time, if you see in maximum time it has formed, we have bottom out in the next one or two trading sessions and saw a good pullback rally. So this is one thing. And second thing which is happening is the distance to the earth is minimum. Moon declination. So let me just do it 0 and moon declination. Now declination is a very, very important concept when it comes to financial astrology. So this is moon declination. Very, very strong signals it will give. See here, perfect bottom here. This was the perfect top. From here only market has started correcting. So you can see here, and which is happening on 29th, which is day after tomorrow. So whenever these two signals are coming together, so this is first signal, and let me just put distance to the earth minimum. So I put both the conditions, and I'll put a condition here. So this software can superimpose both of them. So whenever these two events start coming nearer. See here, last time there is only 1 or 2 days difference, so we can see a potential big fall or a big rise in the market because two important lunar cycles are coming together. Now, if I look at the Gann angles, you can see a Nifty has perfect bounce from this Gann level, which I've been discussing. See, price move exactly from 1 cross 1 to 1 cross 2. So probably if today's low is broken, which is around 19,550, then we can see a fall all the way towards 19,100, 19 and 18,888. It will come to this angle. Bank Nifty again, as I told you, is a cause of concern because it has closed below this Gann angle. If tomorrow also it closes below this Gann angle, then the fall can extend all the way towards 43 to 42 750 odd levels. And Fin Nifty again the same thing. It is closing below these Gann angles. So this is the only cause of concern. So and let's quickly look at the expiry. So last expiry happened somewhere here, which was around 19253. So we are well up on that on Nifty. And for Bank Nifty, last expiry happened here. So we are almost near to that level. So the close was 44,000. So probably if tomorrow, if today's low is broken, then we can see an expiry near 44 to 41, 100 odd levels. Now, the expiry levels which I'm watching out, the range for tomorrow is basically for the based on today's close. If tomorrow we open gap down, that's a different story. We'll see. But as of now, it is looking like between 19,835 to 19,596 we can close in Nifty, and 44,850 to 44,300. If 44,300, if whatever side these levels have breached, then you can easily get 150 to 200 points move in Bank Nifty and 50 to 80 points move in Nifty. So that is where the OTM calls you can buy. Watch out for these levels. If these are broken, you generally tend to see they becomes 2x 3x odd levels. So the levels which I'm watching out for tomorrow, and like I told you, yeah, so the Nifty has formed outside bar. I've already told you. So the levels which I'm watching out for tomorrow is this. This is for Nifty, sorry, Bank Nifty. Uh, Yeah. So basically, if you want to go long above 44,638 for a move towards 44,851, 45,064, and 45,276. And on downside below 44,425, you can short for 212, 44,000, and 43,787. Similarly for Nifty, what I'm watching out is like this. Uh, yeah, from here. Yeah. So Nifty, we can go long about 19,778 for 848 and 950 and 20,000. And on downside, we can go short below 637 for 567, 496 and 426. Like I told you, multiple lunar cycles plus we have got the monthly close also. So which can be either we can see next 2 days 1 to 2% up move in Nifty, or at least 1 to 2% down move, because monthly close will be like this. Bank Nifty, if things doesn't work, it can form a monthly doji also. So yeah, that's about it. Let's see what market has in place. So let's see what is the impact of the lunar cycles, and the levels I've clearly discussed with the expiry levels. I wish you guys all the best. Thank you very much. Stay disciplined.